Hello, welcome to a very different type of video, a video that is absolutely not optimized for the YouTube algorithm, but we're doing it anyway because I really just want to sit down for a second and say hi, hello, how are you? I just really want to check in with you, and I also obviously just want to say thank you because before the end of the year, I believe it was the night before Christmas Eve, we reached 200,000 subscribers. Oh, Gizmo, we did it! Oh, we did it, Gizmo! Yay! And that's just insane. That's so wild. When I started my YouTube journey, I never really wanted to grow my YouTube channel, to be honest. I just wanted to have like a safe little place on the internet where I could hopefully meet some people that were interested in video editing and making videos just like me. And it turned into this whole big thing that I never anticipated, and I am so grateful for. It is unreal that at some point in my YouTube journey, which is 5.5 years now, which is insane, over 200,000 people at some point decided that they wanted to subscribe to my channel. Either my videos provided enough value and they learned something, or they wanted to keep up with my journey. I actually would love to know why you decided to subscribe to my channel, because that would be awesome to know. I am so grateful, and this is absolutely not something that I will take for granted, or I think will ever take for granted and will ever get used to. Every time I get to reach a milestone like this, it's just unbelievable. So I really want to say thank you. Reaching this milestone by the end of 2024 specifically was something I didn't expect, and something that meant so much to me. I'm getting emotional. I don't want to get emotional. 2024 wasn't really my year. It wasn't the worst year, but it also wasn't the best year. And you may have noticed that I wasn't very active on my channel. There's a lot of reasons for that, which I will not get into in this video. I am working on something where I will disclose more information on what my 2024 looked like, but it meant so much to me that despite all of the, what do you call them? All of the, what's English right now? I don't know what the word is. I'm totally blanking right now. Despite all of the drawbacks, I don't know. We still made it, and it was such a, I don't know how to describe it, but it was such a powerful, mind-shifting moment to, despite everything, still reach that number and still see that in 2024. The year where things just didn't really, it was a year. To then start 2025 and start a new year having reached that milestone. That is just, I'm so grateful. I am just so grateful. So I really want to say thank you so much. I'm going to really try my best for 2025 to make it a better year, to be here more often. That's the goal. That's what we're doing. I have some really exciting things in the works, because one of the things that I did last year that I'm still working on is I was filming and I'm now editing a little series and my first little like short film, and it's kind of like, it's so exciting and I'm really excited to share it, and I cannot wait to share it. At the same time, it's kind of daunting to say it out loud because now it needs to go live and it needs to happen. But this year I also want to do more creative projects, and I want to just keep the energy going. I want positive energy, not just for myself, but for you as well, because sometimes life sucks, sometimes things get in the way, sometimes you slow down, sometimes you don't reach your goals, sometimes it seems like everyone else is going a lot faster than you are, which is something that I experienced in 2024. I'm going on a tangent right now, but this is what it's like having a real conversation with me. Yeah, 2024, a lot, like I slowed down by a ton. That made it a little bit hard because you see everyone going for their goals and everyone's working so hard, and it gets you really excited for them because I have friends launching products, launching courses, uploading videos, going on trips and doing all these amazing things. And then it is, you know, sometimes you just have to realize that it is what it is, and it is okay to slow down sometimes, as long as you get back on that horse and you go continue doing what you love to do. This is something that I really love to do, and I'm so grateful that I get to do this and that I get another chance to do this year. We have 200,000 people, man. 200,000 people! Can't believe it. So cool. Going into 2025, if I were to give you one piece of advice, is to keep doing things for you, because it is so easy to chase the algorithm, to do whatever people say you need to double down on in order to grow your channel or grow your social media platforms. And whilst that advice is accurate and that advice is definitely going to be profitable, is it though? I mean, is it profitable to just like, I mean, in terms of money, yeah, but in terms of everything else and creativity, maybe not so much. So for 2025, if you're going to be creating any content, which I really hope you will, if this is something that you've been wanting to do and something that you love, I hope this is the year that you start, or you start again, or you pick it up, or you continue creating. But I really want you to not compare yourself to others, because there's always going to be someone else who's going to be better, bigger, has a better camera, whatever it is. Just focus on you and focus on your process. And if you need to take a little break, take a little break. Because if you love what you do, which in this case is making videos for me, you will get back to it because you love it. So yeah, don't be too hard on yourself. I'm very hard on myself sometimes. So please don't be hard on yourself. Be sweet. Take care of yourself. Give yourself time. And I hope I hope 2025 is gonna look whatever way you want it to look. That's most important. Thank you so much for everything so far in this journey. Thank you so much for 200K. Thank you so much for watching this video of me ramble and just hang out with me. If this is something, I would actually like to do this more often, because I feel like I get to connect with you on a better, deeper level than through tutorials and how-to videos and reviews. So if this is something that you enjoy as well, also please let me know. In the meantime, if you want to chat and keep up with what I'm doing, which is not much, follow me on Instagram and on Threads and wherever else. Okay. Thank you. Love you. We fucking did it! Yay! Thank you. Love you. Bye.